बजट अभी भी है, वी हैव एन हीट बजट, अभी भी वी हैव व्हाट, balanced heat budget, but this balanced heat budget has been delayed more, has been delayed more than the earlier period of outgoing. क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे यदि आउटगोइंग स्लो नहीं होगा तो अर्थ पे बायोटा कांट एग्जिस्ट, yes or not, heat came and heat radiated back, then the earth में none of the any life cannot sustain, yes or not. तो लाइफ को सस्टेन करने के लिए देयर शुड बी ना व्हाट, फ्लो ऑफ एनर्जी. तो एनर्जी को थोड़ी देर तक हमारे बॉडीज में रहना होगा, फाइनली तो हम कन्वर्ट ही हो जाएंगे और सारी एनर्जी किसमें चली जाएगी, स्पेस में, यस और नो. कुछ भी एनर्जी यहाँ नहीं रहेगा, एवरीथिंग विल गो इनटू द व्हाट. सो इट मीन्स आई सेड दैट, समझ में आ गया, हीट बजट इज देयर बट दिस हीट बजट में आउटगोइंग हैज बीन डिलेड एंड दैट लेड टू व्हाट, टेल मी, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. I said, अभी हमने देखा, I said that it is in a budget. I said that I am talking about budget, and in the budget I said that input minus output, or we can say heat incoming minus heat outgoing. Incoming minus what I said that, outgoing. Yes or not? ये pictures हटा दूं, this picture shall I remove? I said incoming, Q incoming minus outgoing. Outgoing में कौन से हैं? I said that it is in a short wave radiation, or we can say that it is in a albedo. Yes or not? Short wave radiation. Yes or not? Short wave radiation, that is I said that 35 unit, yes, plus another I said that long wave radiation, another I said that long wave radiation from the what I said that cloud, जो 14 यूनिट्स था, क्या उसकी भी पीरियड फिक्स्ड है. क्लाउड हमारे अर्थ सरफेस पे फिक्स्ड है, जितना बनना हमेशा बनता है वो. अंडरस्टूड? इसका मतलब दैट इज 35 एंड दैट इज आई सेड दैट व्हाट 14, एंड देन उसमें से 51 इट इज क्लियर. तो इसमें से शॉर्ट वेव कौन सा है? दिस इज द शॉर्ट वेव, एंड द रेस्ट आर व्हाट. यदि मैं बोलूं कि व्हाट इज द, इफ आई से दैट, इसको यदि मैं इक्वेशन को बोलूं, इट इज ना क्यू शॉर्ट वेव प्लस क्यू लॉन्ग वेव रेडिएशन. दो रेडिएशन जो है वो क्या है, अर्थ से आ रहा है, इनकमिंग इज व्हाट शॉर्ट वेव एंड आउटगोइंग इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाट इज ना शॉर्ट वेव एज वेल एज लॉन्ग वेव. एंड इफ आई सेड दैट, so it will be what is Q short wave radiation or Q albedo, yes, so that is 35 unit, and then Q long wave radiation from the which one it is I said that cloud plus Q long wave radiation through terrestrial radiation, yes. Understood it? Thereafter I said that Q, which one I said that? Long wave radiation, sorry इसमें long wave, through latent heat of condensation. ये रेडिएशन तो है नहीं, ये कंडेंसेशन के फॉर्म में हीट इज बीइंग कैरिड कन्वेक्शन. तो यदि मैं इसको ऐसा लिखूं Q कन्वेक्शन, व्हाट आई सेड दैट, कन्वेक्शन प्लस Q कंडक्शन. अगला इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगा? Q इनकमिंग माइनस Q शॉर्ट वेव और Q albedo plus Q long wave radiation by the cloud, and then I said that Q long wave radiation from the terrestrial. Then I said that Q, which one I said that? Convection को क्या बोलूँगा? Latent heat of condensation. Through Q it is what? Convection लिख कर लिखूँगा air. Yes or not? Air. And then Q I said conduction. तो हमें क्या हो गया? 100 minus, that is in a 35 unit, plus 14 unit, plus this is 35, this is 14, this is 17, and this is 19, this is 9, जिसको टोटल कन्वेक्शन आप कह सकते हो, and conduction 6. So 100 minus 100, that is 0, and it is known as what? Heat percent. Incoming minus outgoing is 0. Clear? Incoming minus outgoing become what? 0. Understood? Now what I can say? So which heat is playing a role in sustaining the life on the earth's surface? I said which are 17 is playing, 19 playing, 9 playing, everyone is playing some kind of what is in a sustaining life on the earth's surface. Which heat is playing what is in a global warming? Mostly it is what I said that, yes, terrestrial radiation, in which it is absorbed for little longer time and release period has been delayed. Release period has been delayed. Understood? The global warming is due to what? Delayed of what? Release period of what? Terrestrial radiation. Yes, sir. Delayed of release period of, delaying of release period of, why there is a global warming? Delaying the release period of. तो पहला पॉइंट हमने बोला था sustenance of life on the earth's surface. Why there is a sustenance of life on the earth's surface? I said that 51 unit, what I said that? 51 unit release period is, yes or not, little more time on the earth's surface, little more time on the earth's surface, and transferring into the space, it is little more time on the earth's surface and transferring into the space through, it is little more time on the earth's surface as it is in a long wave, yes or not, and transferring into the space through hydrodynamism, through transferring into the space through hydrodynamism, thermodynamism and biochemical dynamism. Understood? Therefore, this heat which is sustained for certain period of time, it flows in the what? Biotas. It flows into biotas. It flows into biotas and the life is sustaining. This heat flows in ocean circulation. This heat flows in thermodynamism के form में atmospheric circulation. Yes or not? Therefore, we are able to, why we are having a sustenance of life on the earth. Sustenance of life on earth. Why we have sustenance of life on the earth? Why? I said that outgoing radiation, convection and conduction. Outgoing what? Radiation, convection, conduction of heat. What? कुछ पीरियड के ले रहे जा रहे हैं? Yes or not? तो उस पीरियड को क्या बोलेंगे? Which period? Which period? यहाँ पे they are giving some birth to the what is na biota. They are giving birth to the atmospheric circulation. They are giving the birth to the ocean circulation. Yes or not? So they are living for certain period of time. So I said that outgoing radiation, convection and conduction of heat, I said that remain on the earth surface through, I said, thermodynamism, yes, thermodynamism in the form of atmospheric circulation. Yes, thermodynamism in the form of atmospheric circulation. I said, then I said hydrodynamism in the form of ocean circulation, cloud formation, biochemical dynamism, how it is? In the form of life existing in the form of life existing in the life existence of biota, means flora and fauna, flora and fauna. And they give birth to this, yes or not? So it is considered as a birth period, yes or not? This sustenance of life on the earth, जिसमें outgoing radiation, convection and conduction of heat remain on the earth's surface through this to give rise dynamism on what? In the one word, give rise of dynamism on earth. It is known as a birth period or dynamic period. Clear? Birth period or dynamic period. So they will remain on the earth's surface for some period and they will give birth to, yes or not, atmospheric circulation. Yes, तो एक फिक्स्ड पीरियड में रहेंगे and thereafter keep on going on. समझ में आ गया? Understood? Or it will keep on coming and keep on going out, keep on coming, keep on going out. Yes or not? And also ये क्या कर रहा है? Latitudinal heat balance भी कर रहा है ये. Yes. Shall I remove?